Today's the crypto market is completely sideways and boring, but still I found some important analysis for you all, which can help you all in your trading, and plus you can get plethora of great knowledge. Hello guys, welcome to The Wolf. So let's get straight to the point. So right now the whole crypto market as well as Bitcoin is completely sideways with no volume. The price of Bitcoin is in a parallel channel for past few weeks and heavily trapping all the retail traders. So now, for the future, there are chances the Bitcoin price follows this channel, and if it does then it can again go to the top of the channel at approximate $31,200 level, and if the price breaks the previous recent high it created at approximate $31,800 level, then only it can continue to go up and has the potential to reach $33,000. And if the price breaks this channel to the downside, it can heavily go to the downside at approximate my pink box to the downside at $26,000 level. Now let's move to the Ethereum chart. So right now there is a ascending broadening wedge forming on the Ethereum daily chart. And also if you notice that the price is stuck at the very important resistance and support zone, the yellow box, and the pink resistance level at approximate $1,900 to $1,890 level. So right now, for the shorter term, there are chances for the Ethereum price to fall, respecting the ascending broadening wedge pattern, and the price can fall to the $1,840 level. And guys, here is my long trade on Ethereum. This trade form starting was very risky, but still I'm bullish on Ethereum. With a target of $2,130 level, at the top of the falling parallel channel. And if in the future, if this trade not goes according to my analysis, then I will increase my stop loss level, because I am having fully confident in myself. But guys, it's not always recommendable that you increase your stop loss. And also do remember that always hold your winners and cut your losers. This line applies in life and in trading both, so if you are in loss in trading, close your trade ASAP, and when you are in profits, try to hold your profits as much as you can, without ending in loss. Okay, so right now I'm on my Twitter profile, and yesterday I shared a very important RSI bearish divergence on the Bitcoin 4-hourly timeframe. And if this bearish divergence gets played out then, the price can break the Bitcoin's parallel channel and can heavily fall down to the targets I have mentioned before, which are $26,000 level. And guys, if you do like these quick analysis I post on Twitter, in real time, then don't hesitate to follow me, link in description. Okay, so here is a bonus analysis for all the viewers who are watching till the end. So as I showed you about a small RSI bearish divergence on the 4-hourly Bitcoin chart. Here have a look at this massive one more bearish divergence forming on Bitcoin at the daily timeframe. And from the beginning of the bullish impact on the price, this bearish divergence is forming, and is still in progress. Well, if the small divergence that I showed you on my Twitter profile plays out, the price can fall down, and can result in trigger of this big divergence. And the price can fall heavily with a price target of $20,800 level. The level where the CME gap has been created and not filled by now. That's why I'm still overall bearish on Bitcoin right now, with these analysis I have showed you. And guys, you can get my Twitter profile link from the description. And not only that, but if you want to trade like me, then it's very easy. You can start your trading journey on Bybit, just create an account on Bybit with my link in description, and you can get up to $30,000 gift. If you make an account with the link below, you can get many exclusive gifts for yourself. Such as free shoutout from me, personally on a video. And many more gifts that you can check for yourself, so do not forget to create an account on Bybit and get your welcome gifts. So guys, that's it for today's short analyses video. If you liked this analysis and gained some knowledge, then do like the video and subscribe your channel. I will see you all next time.